Causes of divorce and disparity. Illiteracy, misunderstanding, financial problem, no baby, no boy child, girlfriend, religious conflict, no tolerance, no awareness of his or right, lowest seal, sexual demand, right, lack of patience, age factor, lack of trust between partners, higher education of women, joint family system, unemployment, depression, panic, anxiety, blame, fear, feeling of helplessness, unequal financial and premarital issues.